The user experience of a smartwatch can be entirely redefined by a single software update, and for the Pixel Watch community, that transformation is currently underway. Google has officially initiated the rollout of Wear OS 7 across compatible Pixel Watch models, marking one of the most substantial platform overhauls in recent memory. Developed on an Android 16 foundation, this major release introduces a refined visual identity, optimized system performance, and intelligent power management protocols aimed at streamlining daily interactions. A core pillar of this update is a completely overhauled user interface leveraging Google's updated Material 3 expressive design language. This brings fluid animations, refreshed notification cards, and modernized menu layouts that modernize the interface while preserving the foundational navigation Pixel Watch users are accustomed to. Beyond aesthetics, the underlying architecture has been tuned for power efficiency. Google promises that the resource management in Wear OS 7 will yield extended battery endurance during standard operation, offering a welcome boost for power users heavily reliant on continuous health monitoring, background notifications, and active GPS tracking. Personalization also receives a massive upgrade in this version. The system introduces more granular customization controls, allowing users to effortlessly modify watch face complications, fine-tune color schemes, and deploy an expanded suite of accessibility features to create a more tailored hardware experience. Furthermore, ecosystem integration has been tightened. Cross-device synchronization, app continuity, and connected workflows operate with greater fluidness alongside Android smartphones and the wider Google hardware lineup. The deployment of Wear OS 7 is following a staged rollout strategy, meaning availability will expand incrementally over the coming weeks, and some regions or models may experience a short delay before the over-the-air notification triggers. Ultimately, this launch underscores an ongoing commitment to scaling hardware capability, speed, and personalization via software without forcing a generation upgrade. If this breakdown helped you out, make sure to drop a like on the video